The noblest power of man is reason. The highest goal of reason is the knowledge of God. Saint Albert the Great. Can we know the existence of God by our reason? Yes. Human reason can know God with certainty. The world cannot have its origin and its destination within itself. In everything that exists, there is more than we see. The order, the beauty, and the development of the world points beyond themselves towards God. Every man is respective to what is true, good, and beautiful. He hears within himself the voice of conscience which urges him to what is good and warns him against what is evil. Anyone who follows this path reasonably finds God. Why do people deny that God exists if they can know by Him by reason? To know the invisible God is a great challenge for the human mind. Many are scared off by it. Another reason why some do not want to know God is because they would then have to change their life. Anyone who says that the question about God is meaningless because it cannot be answered is making things too easy for himself. So it happens that men in such matters easily persuade themselves that what they would not like to be true is false or at least doubtful, said Pope Pius XII in his encyclical Humani Generis. Can we grasp God at all in concepts? Is it possible to speak about Him meaningfully? Although we men are limited and the infinite greatness of God never fits into finite human concepts, we can nevertheless speak rightly about God. In order to express something about God, we use imperfect images and limited notions. And so everything we say about God is subject to the reservation that our language is not equal to God's greatness. Therefore, we must constantly purify and improve our speech about God. Revelation means that God opens Himself, shows Himself, and speaks to the world voluntarily. We cannot talk about God, but oh, to the one who remains silent about Him, said Saint Augustine.